How you guys doing? How you guys doing? Giving these birds some water. It's kind of hot here in the bay, so just thought I'd make a little quick video. Me giving them some water. Gave these guys some water. They laid 2 eggs the other day. Hopefully they'll hatch, because like I say, these guys have that habit where I come in, give them water, give them food, and they'll get off their eggs. These guys are doing good. That's one of the babies. That's the other one. Mom and dad back there. She's on eggs, so I won't mess with her so much. But everybody doing good. These guys over here too, fed them, gave them some water. Doing pretty good. So hopefully they do good. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye.